Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this warmer bronze look using the Morphe 35V palette. I've already primed my eyelids with concealer and set it with an eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take the shade Scandal and put that into my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Heat and put that into the outer corner and crease. To deepen it up, I'm going to take the shade In the Zone and put it in the outer corner and lower crease. Next, I'm just going to blend. Next, I'm going to take the shade Private Party and put that on my lid using my finger. Next, I'm just going to blend the crease a little bit more. I'm going to use the shade Knockout for my inner corner. I'm going to take the shade In the Zone to use as my lower lash line color. And lastly, just apply mascara. So this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If there is another tutorial you would like to see using this palette or any of the other palettes I have, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!